everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to create a pair of press-ons. It's going to be a Rustic Harvest Fall Mani, and we're going to use two colors from Virgo and Gem. The first one here, it's called Fruitcake, and it screams fall. It's a mixture of fine and chunky glitter, and there's some deep teal in there, some browns, some yellows, some golds. It screams fall, and it's super pretty, and the name is super fun as well, and it pairs perfectly with this color called Brave. Now, Brave is one of the newer colors that just were released in the I Am collection, and this is more of a clay color. It has an orange undertone, and it is a warm, neutral color, and it's super pretty, and look at how pretty it is paired with Fruitcake. I just think these colors here scream fall, and it's perfect. And then for the press-ons, we are going to be doing the gel method. Now, you don't have to do press-ons. You can do this mani on your nails as well, and you can also use dip liquids. So lately I have been obsessed with the Virgo and Gem gels. The consistency is amazing. They're very liquidy gel base and gel top coat, but it applies amazingly and you get really nice thin even coats, and they work great when you are trying to make press-ons at home. So I definitely recommend checking out these gels. They are amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this press-on mani, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, and the press-ons are done. Aren't they pretty? And it's the perfect fall press-ons. Now I like making press-ons with these medium stiletto nails because they're super fun and they're perfect for fall, and it's not something I can wear all the time. So I like that I can create custom press-ons at home. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's video in the description box below. I hope you had a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!